Presenting a pre-owned 2013 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 89,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Sport Package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.